Very good. Let me palpate right through here. Relax right here for me. Good movement. Excellent. Okay, just about as good as the first time, huh? Mm-hmm. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. All right, good movement right up top. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and show you guys with her. And so we're going to get some movement in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay, good movement there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right there for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. There we go. Got some movement in there? Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Let me have your top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this arm right over here. And we're going to put the top toe behind the bottom knee. Right there. And get right in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Good movement there. Okay. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this hand here. Right there. Relax your upper body there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay face up for me. Long axis cervical decompression movement. Relax right here for me. There you go. Excellent. One more. Excellent.
And nice deep breath through your nose. There we go. Oh yeah. Good. See, he's getting to be really good at that. He relaxes. You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Yep. So we're going to adjust his cervical spine now with a Palmer diversified rotary brake. There you go. Perfect. Good job.
There you go. There you go. On the other side for me. Let me roll down. Let that drop. Perfect. On your back for me.
We're going to get some movement right in here in the neck, okay?
Okay.
Okay, relax here for me. Good. Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Lay on your side facing this way for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the other way. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up for me. Very good. Good. Excellent. Very good. We're going to get some movement right here through about C2. Relax right here. Very good. Okay. Just relax right there for me. Very good. Okay. We're going to get some movement in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let's have you take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Good movement. Let's have you take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
I wish all my patients relax as much the first time. Good. 5 on this side. Okay. Right there. Good. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. See if we can get a tiny bit more out of it. Good. Nope, that's it. That's it. Wow.
Legs here for me. Relax. Very good. Excellent. Relax right in here. How was that, Jason?
Fantastic.
All right. Good. Relax. We're getting an upper cervical here. Very good.
Oh man.
All right.
I just feel it all the way up and down.
Good. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up.
Good. One more time here. Good.
Okay, big breath in and out. Good one. Okay, big breath in. Nice. Good. So big breath in and out. Okay, I'm gonna flip you, other side. Okay, big breath in and out. Good one. Cool. Feel okay?
Now that you kind of know.
So it's
It's right there.
oh.
Okay. Let's have you. Okay, just relax. Good. Good. Okay, then I'll have this side here. I know it's close to the ears, right? There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, right there. Whoa. Beautiful. Yikes.
Yikes in a good way or a crazy way or both. Scary and good.
A little bit of
Scary,
both.
scary and bad at the same time. Scary and good.
Good, nice, relaxed. Good, good, nice. Okay.
And you get it what, every day you said?
Every day, almost every day.
Okay. And you're on your feet all day and you work hard hours.
Yes. Just like yourself.
That's right. You ready, buddy?
Yes.
Relax as much as you can. Beautiful. There goes the ears. Oh my. Nice. How you feel?
Much better.
Yeah, look at the ears. So the one thing that happens is all the blood is getting up there. That's one reason he's getting headaches.
Deep breath in for me there, Teresa. Let it all the way out. Oh yeah. Home run.
Yeah. It's my favorite one.
I don't even have to ask if you felt that all the way down because I know you did.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh yeah, the crack cakes are gonna love you.
Very good. Okay. Right in here. Relax here. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay face down right here on the on the table. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. We're gonna get some movement in here. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax here for me. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. All the way out. Very good.